Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a super clean 2016 Vespa GTS300ie Super. This scooter only has 478 miles and is offered for $54.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great little in-town, take it on the freeway, take it to the grocery store scooter. It's essentially a brand new scooter, only has 478 miles on it. In addition to the stock items, this comes with a Vespa windshield and also a RAM mount for your cell phone on there. There's plenty of storage under the seat. You could ride 2 up on this scooter, and it's dialed in and ready to go. Again, only 478 miles. We sent it through our service department. We did an oil change, a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this scooter. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have